Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is December the 9th, 2012. And earlier, I just got on Google Earth and I noticed this big circle right here. Do you see the circle? Please tell me you see that circle. See the circle? Okay, this circle is the same size circle that I always see. See? This, about 2,700, 2,800 miles across, the same size as this circle right here that I've showed before. Same size as that. Pretty much the same size as this big circle, Marianas Trench. Circle, same size. And it's, you see, it's right here. Where I've seen them before. I've seen these circles here before. And I overlaid, I just overlaid Mare Oriental like I always do. I mean, I always do the same one. It's just, so let's just do it. Here it is. And let me just point out, I picked the picture, and all I did was zoom in like this, hit my overlay button, it zoomed in, did its own thing. It put the picture down all on its own. I did not adjust this picture. I did not do anything to the picture except for choose it. And it sat it down right here. This is what it did, all on its own, okay? Now, the weather was a little better earlier, but it's still the same weather. I mean, you'll see it. It's in the right spot, so it doesn't matter what weather is here, it'll always fit. Okay, let me just fade the weather in and out. Okay, you can see that clearly, fitting that curve. I know you can. It takes a big screen to see it, but look at this right here before this goes away. I want to show this. I got another video that shows the better weather that was here earlier. That I'll upload that one too. It's just a little bit long, kind of spaced out at the end of it. So this right here, see this shape right here? The shape in the clouds right here. This is the same shape. That's the area that you see under Greenland. Here, turn the weather off here. This area here. See this? That's the same thing. Right there. That's the same thing. It goes right there. And I know that because I have an overlay of that up here somewhere, the sandy overlay that I did. That's the same thing. There's this one, Greenland. But you see how, look at the clouds fit. Look at the clouds fit there. Look at this. All in the lines. Look at this right here where this comes to a point. Same thing. Up here, fits in there. You can see that the moon's shaped the same right there. Look at this. You can see the dark shape right there. You can see the whole outline of that thing. And look at that. Boom. Program put it down there. Google Earth put this picture in place. Look at the center of it too. Look at that. You're gonna tell me that's not there? Look at this. Look at this shape. It's like a. Oh wow, that's awesome. That is awesome. Turn off the radar too, might as well. That is so there. That is there. Oh man, my weather's gone. Oh, the radar's gone. Turn off the radar. Here you go, right here. Check this part out right here. See this with the line right here? It was lined up better, a little bit better earlier. It goes right there. Like I said, the program put it here. All this stuff. Look at this right here. Let's take a look at this right here too. Follow the line right here. Look at that. Just beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Right there. Look at, you can see. Look at this. This looks like it's a little bit off right here. Look at that right there. If you look right up above it, right there. Look at that. Watch. It looks like there actually is in both places. Yep. Look at those lines of the clouds and all that fit. It fits better on the moon than it does on the Earth. This right here, I mean, this is just, it just fit right in. Look at that. Look at that shit. I mean, oh man. Okay, now let's look at it over the land. What land? It's a little bit. It's got a little bit of stuff over the land right here. Mexico. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that line. Here, let me just zoom in right here. This part of Mexico right here. Look at that. Comes up to that little point. There's your volcano. There's this. There's this. I would be willing to bet that that's a little bit touched up even, but still look at how it fits there. Look how that fits there, people. Oh my goodness. And I'll tell you what, this area of this picture is probably the most touched up area of the, I mean, it's so, look at it, you can see what they do, where they do it. You can see where they see that area, all these areas. I'm telling you, there's so much more detail that should be in this picture that's not here. And it still fits, regardless. Look at that. So let me see. This was up here too, though. So I want to. I think the land from this area here, at one point in time, slid down or something, because it's a really complicated puzzle trying to figure out how the damn thing, how the Earth is moved around and the continents were over the top of each other and all them things. But look at this. I noticed this earlier. There's that look at that. It looks like Nibiru right there. That looks like Nibiru, if you ask me. See the wings and the crater with the horns on the side? Look at that. That's the devil. Oh, damn, it goes right there too. Look at that, right there in the ocean. Wow. See that? See that right there, that circle? Oh man, it's there. Look, there's the center of it right there. That's the center of the impact. Look at that. Unbelievable. Let's just go through these little ones too. This one here is there. I always check for this little thing right here when I'm in this area. See this little angle here? It should be there if you're in the right spot. I see something there coming down like this. Oh, I want to look at this area too right here. It's a really nice alignment right here. Really nice. Up here, I don't know what's up here really. Something used to curve right there. Well, like I said, the program put it there, so I believe that it goes there. Look, look, watch. See a little crater there. I was doing this too. I'll show you what I was doing earlier. Let me see. That off. Where is it? Uh-oh. Just a second. Turn on the wrong picture. Okay, that's the wrong one. And that's probably the wrong one too. Oh, I know this is Japan. Or no, this is Lake Victoria. Goes right there somewhere. Let's see, the Grand Canyon. I had that lined up with this right here. Can anybody else see that? I can see it. And I got these other ones here. Let me show you the other ones I did too. This one. This is basically, these are pieces of Japan that I'm doing here. Because you can see Japan, the Sea of Japan and this have a lot in common, obviously. The Sea of Japan, Colorado, and Lake Victoria. But check this, I mean, this is lined up right here. After I knew it went in this area somewhere, so I brought it up and it just fits right in there really nice. Look, see this right in place? Look at that. So I was looking at Las Vegas and I was thinking, damn, you know, if this is like this, or the Las Vegas down here, I mean, down here when I had it down, let me see, there's another one here. Here's a Grand Canyon here. See, right here. Another area. I should put up that other one too. Where's that one at? Oh yeah. Just a little adjustment. That's pretty close though. That spot. They all have the same shape and they all go together. They were all in the same place at one point in time. I don't know if they were all in the same place at the same time, or if they were just all in the same place separately. But they were. Look at that right there. Look at this whole shape right here. So that's right over the Grand Canyon. Let me turn that back off and just show you this one. See, because they put themselves in the same place because the shape of the Sea of Japan. I mean, here, I think I got it right here. And it's not like this isn't lined up. The other ones are lined up. This is just like a rough, you know, positioning of it right here. And I noticed up here in right here I can see this whole shape right here, right there. Look. See it? Right here, this whole big shape is the same thing. I think the continents were layered, and I think the layers were separated by moon impacts. I really do. I mean, look at that. Puts the Sea of Japan right here, the center of the Sea of Japan, right there in this area. Look, it's not really perfect right there, but. All this is in the right place. It's right here. Excuse me. So anyways, that's why I put Japan there, because it all goes together, and then you see how it all fits. I mean, this is like, you know, you can see that. It's like a horse's head, kind of. It fits right in there. It's like the missing land from that area right there, something. See that? So maybe this was the inland sea right here. Maybe the Sea of Japan was the inland sea. There's another inland sea. I mean, I don't know. It's hard. It's hard to put that part of the puzzle together. And I've gone on too long already, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off there. You can check this stuff out yourself. It's pretty interesting, pretty fun to learn how the Earth was together somewhat. Anyway, it's really hard to figure out the whole thing, but keep working on it. Eventually, we'll get it. All right. Have a good day.